Hey everyone, the Ghibli-style AI videos have been exploding across platforms. Many creators are focusing on this single niche and getting very consistent traffic. For example, there's a channel dedicated entirely to this style. And by posting regularly, it's now earning around $10,000 per month on average. Now let's break down step by step how to create a viral AI Ghibli-style ASMR video. Step 1. Choosing a topic. If you already have a story idea, simply let ChatGPT expand the plot and create a storyboard. If you don't have an idea yet, you can also ask it to suggest story concepts that fit the Ghibli vibe, like cozy slice-of-life moments, gentle fantasy, or heartwarming character stories. Step 2. Define the main character. First, ask ChatGPT to generate a character design image prompt. Then, based on that character, generate prompts for each storyboard scene. This ensures the character looks consistent throughout the entire video. Step 3. Generate storyboard images. Once your prompts are ready, open any video converter's AI image generator. Start by entering the character prompt to create a reference image. This reference is important because you'll use it for all scenes to keep the character visually consistent. Then input each storyboard prompt and upload the character reference to generate the full sequence of images. Step 4. Turn images into video. After the storyboard images are ready, ask ChatGPT to write a detailed image-to-video animation prompt, including camera movement, lighting, and atmosphere details. Now open any video converter AI video generator. Import the storyboard images and the animation prompt. Then choose the duration based on your packing and content style, click Generate, and after a short wait, your AI Ghibli-style video is ready. Once you master this pipeline, you can produce high-quality content at scale. If you'd like more video tutorials, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.